Hi everyone, it's Adam here, CEO of HODL. Just wanted to share with you today the full vision and preview for the HODL app. We're working on that right now. It's coming along really well. There's inevitably going to be challenges that we face with the development of such an ambitious app, and I'll come on to those, but I just want to give you a bit of a run through of how it looks and feels so you can see the quality and the ambition that we have for this app. So first and foremost, you'll be able to download the app through the website. We're going to be listing the app in the Android and iOS stores. And I also think it'd be smart to make it what's called a progressive web app, which means that it can be downloaded onto any device directly from the website and away from the stores. So we're aiming to cover all bases there. So once it's downloaded and on your phone, you'll be hit with a loading screen like this, and then you'll be going straight into the app where you'll get an introduction into what HODL is, and there'll be some welcome screens rotating, and it's just a case of from here simply clicking get started. We want the flow and the journey of signing up and being able to access passive income to be so easy that even grandma can do it. So step one is you simply provide a password and an email. Once done, you will get an email and you just click to verify that email. If you own HODL, then you'll be able to connect your wallet. If you don't, then you simply say, no, I don't own HODL, therefore, okay, I'm going to call my wallet, say main wallet or Adam's wallet or whatever. Do you want to receive notifications? Well, yeah, I want to know when my rewards are ready to collect, so you can confirm that. Provide your security code so you can easily and securely get back into the app. I'm a big fan of Face ID, so I'm looking forward to being able to get into the app just with Face ID, so you can set that up or confirm it. And then you're in. This is the next thing that you'll see. You go into the app, and the goal was to keep this really simple so that people who perhaps aren't as familiar as you guys are, you guys who are holding during this bear market, you're some of the most diehard investors in crypto. But people who come back to the market, say when we're in the bull run, they just want to make a really simple route in. So once they've gone through that simple sign up process and it's created a wallet, they'll be able to go in. And if you don't hold any HODL, the first thing you're going to see actually is this. You're going to be asked, what's your passive income goal? And you'll be able to say, right, well, I want to be earning, say, $2,000 a year of passive income. It will then give you a quote on how much HODL you need to buy to achieve that passive income goal. So you'll then be able to click buy, and you'll be able to use your debit card. We're also looking, if possible, to support open banking, which is like you'll be able to send funds directly from the bank. Define how much you want to buy, and go ahead and make that purchase, and the HODL will be sent to this wallet address, so it will automatically appear in the app. So here, for example, you can see this wallet saying now, okay, your next claim is going to be this much BNB and it will be ready in this date. Monthly you're going to be earning this, annually this, your HODL balance is this, you've collected this much BNB, you've got an option there to convert some of that BNB to HODL. So all really super simple, and that's really the bulk of it, and that's the goal, is to let people easily create the app, easily get into the app, easily purchase, and once they're set up, it will just be a case of getting an alarm every time your reward is ready to collect, and going and claiming it, and then deciding, do you want to get BNB or do you want to get HODL? The goal in the future is that you will actually be able to funnel your rewards onto a card, or have those rewards converted into cash and sent back to your bank account. So if you want to also visit the website or play games, you'll have the icons at the bottom to take you to those different key features. You've also got the reward calculator, so you can quickly hop to that and put in how much dollars or BNB you're thinking of investing and what that will deliver for you. The website is super mobile optimized, it's stunning, it's really simple, and we've started to bring everything in. So the games is going to be part of the core website, the dashboard was integrated, and we'll at some stage in the not too distant future integrate the decks as well. So everything's coming together in this one site. You'll be able to access that through the app. But if you're somebody who perhaps wants to take advantage of more features than just claiming the B&B rewards that HODL bring, you've got the option through the app's menu to go to the Pro mode. So you can see here, this is the menu where you can add your payment cards, connect to wallets, look at your transaction history, followers and social, FAQs, and so on and so on. As well as at the top, you can see your HODL level. But if you go Pro, what that will do is take you back to the main screen where you can see your passive income. But we're going to add in additional features and information. So this is just an example, but since we designed this app, we launched the reinvestment into HODLX. We're working on reinvestment into NFTs. There's more features, there's a lot, but what we didn't want to do is to throw all of these options and these features at first-time users, because they might find it a little overwhelming, particularly if they're new to crypto. So somebody who's just got going with HODL will be on the basic version, much like with, say, Binance's app. You'll go in and you'll see a simplified version that's just focused on passive income. But for somebody who wants to activate Pro mode or use more features, you'll be able to turn that on, and then it will show you more of the options and information available to you. So you can see here an example of the extra information available to somebody, such as rankings and equity and so on. So the idea is, by default, it will be on the basic version, so just super simple, super accessible, and the goal is that people that are new to crypto can get going and look after themselves and claim their rewards. But we know how much people enjoy some of the more advanced features, whether that's staking or whether that's swapping for NFTs, whether that's claiming HODLX instead of HODL, whether that's claiming an NFT in the future, or whether that's some of the data, such as your level, your ranking, etc. So we wanted to split the two, not overwhelm people, keep it simple. The logical thing to do was to basically bundle those extra features into a Pro mode, which you can easily activate. One other thing that I think is pretty cool is because it's an app, it will be able to notify you when your rewards are ready to claim. So you can see here the screen for that. The app will alert you to your rewards being ready to claim. You'll be able to go in, we'll do some nice animation and stuff, and you can go and claim your reward. I think that's going to be particularly useful for people that have multiple wallets. And I also think there's a lot of people that would appreciate getting an alert when their reward is ready to collect. At the top here as well, for people that have more than one wallet, you can toggle between them, so you could add multiple wallets. If I go back to the menu section, you can see on the left here that you've got connect to wallet. So you might be able, if you have, say, for example, 2 wallets or 10 wallets, whatever you've got, you'll be able to add them all and toggle between them. Maybe in the future we'll develop something where you could make a claim on everything that's available with one button, or show an aggregated view of how many tokens you've got, a bit like how we've done it on the dashboard. The sky's the limit. But yeah, in summary, the key and the thing I want to get across is that we're trying to make it incredibly simple for people to be able to download, set up, purchase, and then start harvesting their B&B rewards with HODL. This will be our V1. There will be challenges that we're going to have to battle and overcome, so bear with us, but hopefully this gives you a bit of a sense of our ambition and goals for how this thing's going to look and feel and function. And hopefully you get some of the excitement that that we have for this, because this is a global and universal need. We're all looking for passive income. We all need income. So to have an app out there that's leveraging blockchain technology that can be accessible to anyone on the planet that's got a mobile device is really quite amazing. That they can download it simply, get up and running and take advantage of the amazing opportunity that is crypto and this product, and get going with their passive income journey very simply. So I think the app's going to transcend the project. It is going to be challenging. It's going to take a huge amount of work to get it out there and then iterate. But we're making good progress on that, so we'll keep you updated. The long-term goal is that there will be a virtual card as well available, so you can funnel your B&B rewards, or if you say want to sell some HODL to cash, or you want to spend your HODLX, etc., you'll be able to do that via a debit card that's available within the app, and then you can just go and buy a loaf of bread or milk or whatever it is, and spend your rewards or your HODLX or whatever via a debit card that's generated by the app. That again is going to take some serious kind of innovation and thought, but that's the goal. And then we really are, becoming a brand, becoming a service that is for everybody. We all know how to download apps. We all know how to put in an email and password, or use a debit card or Apple Pay or Google Pay to purchase something. And that's all we're looking for here. That's all the HODL app will be requiring. That's our ambition. So to have this kind of complete ecosystem, this huge opportunity to access passive income and to spend that income, to earn through staking, farming, gaming, NFTs, all these things that we're doing, we're going to be using and leveraging that technology, but providing passive income simply and easily for anyone out there with a mobile device. So that's the goal, the ambition. Once the app's done as well, it gives us a great opportunity to go out and pitch and meet with investors, we've started the work of building relationships with some of the biggest exchanges out there, like Gate, Coinbase, Huobi and OKX. So I'm sure that they'll be interested in what we're trying to do here, and ultimately our goal is to be able to work with and attract and provide passive income for the 99.7% of people that aren't in DeFi. And this is what this app's going to do. So the scope of the project, the market opportunity is going to ramp up once this thing's completed. Again, emphasize it's very difficult, very challenging. Just working out how to lay all this out was a huge challenge. Developing and delivering on all the technical aspects is really complicated. We've had a lot of challenges already, and there'll be a lot more to come. But we've got the ambition, the desire, and the determination to work our way through all these challenges and reach this vision. So bear with us as we take HODL and you guys on a journey to being a global force for passive income. Thanks, guys.